My client reached out to me recently asking me to get him a fixed rate second to pay off his credit card balances. As you can see here, he had about $65,000 in credit card debt with a monthly payment of 1825. I was able to get him a fixed rate second, fixed for 15 years on a $50,000 loan amount at 8.5%. His monthly payment being 492.37 per month. I realize the $50,000 is not enough to pay off all of his debt, but $50,000 is all he wanted because he was going to pay off all these balances and then whatever debt was left, he was going to transfer to a zero interest credit card. So you can see here that once he pays off all the balances, his savings is 1332. So by paying his debt off all the with the $50,000 he got, he can then take that savings and apply it towards paying down the zero interest credit card faster. So that's going to help him to really get all of his debt paid off as quickly as possible. Also, his credit score is going to go up. When you get a credit score, your credit score is largely based on your credit usage and how much your balances are relative to your limit on revolving credit card debt. So when my client pays these balances off, his credit score is going to be immediately improved and it's going to be very helpful to his credit. He's not closing any of these accounts. Just because he's paying them off does not mean he's closing them, which could hurt his credit. So at the time, his credit score was 698, and it's probably much higher now. And he had 25% equity in his home. So he could have gotten a larger loan if he had wanted to. The other thing I wanted to mention is a lot of people think to go to a debt consolidator to improve to help them with their credit card debt. But that can actually have a negative impact on your credit because you have to stop paying your creditors and you agree to start making your payments directly to the debt consolidation company, who then negotiates with your creditors to pay less than what you owe, and therefore you pay short, and that actually can really hurt your credit. So if you have some equity in your home and you're struggling with credit cards, please reach out to me. I would love to help. Last thing I want to say is that once he gets all of his credit cards paid, he can take that 1332 in monthly savings and he can apply that towards doubling or almost tripling his payment on his $50,000 fixed rate second. So he would actually be able to pay that loan off much quicker than 15 years. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to hearing from you. Bye.